Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Anushree, and today I will be giving you the teaser of Kalpatru Vihan by Kalpatru Group located at Andheri West, Mumbai. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the actual sales office in the actual project. Now let me show you the neighborhood. Please check out your neighborhood. So the road on the right hand side takes you to the Creek Road, and the road on the left hand side takes you to the Lokhandwala Circle. Now, but before moving further, let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform where the home buyers are directly connected to the developers, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do one single inquiry, your contact number is directly shared with the multiple brokers, which will lead to endless calling. But in Housey, you are directly connected to the developers, because in Housey, listing is done by builders and not brokers. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home directly with Housey. In this teaser, we'll be discussing the below points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, lounge discount offers, and many more. So let's start. So first one is project overview. This project is being developed on 4 acres of land parcel featuring 2 towers, 2 basement, ground plus 3 podium plus eco deck. 28 floors having 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies with Jodi options available. Now let's talk about locations. This project is located at Lokhandwala Bank Road, Andheri West, Mumbai, with upcoming metro station just 100 meters, upcoming coastal road 300 meters, and new link road at just 1 kilometers. All school, colleges, hospital in a radius of 1 kilometer. Now let's talk about amenities. So here you will be getting 30 plus luxurious amenities such as swimming pool, clubhouse, banquet hall, taekwondo room, learning room, kids play area, and many more. If you're planning to buy a home in Mumbai, I have a strong recommendation for you. Make sure you watch Housey's Rights of Home Buyer series, where many of you home buyers are not really aware of the legal rights. For example, if you pay a token amount to a builder and later decide to cancel the booking, how much amount will a builder legally deduct? If after possession you face issues such as wall leakages or construction defect, what are the builder's liability? And most importantly, what legal rights do you have as a home buyer? We have explained all the important topics in a very simple to understand manner. So before you buy a home, make sure you watch this series at least for once. You will find the link to the series in the I button above and also in the description below. Now let's talk about carpet area. So the carpet area for 3 BHK is 1100 to 1500 square feet and 4 BHK is 2500 to 2700 square feet. Now let's discuss the booking process. So our booking window is now open. Clients are invited to visit our site, where our sales team will explain the project details. We share you the payment and the private scheme. We'll also show you the actual location as well. If the client is in the project, they can proceed to the booking amount, that is 10%. So everyone, this was your complete teaser of Kalpatru Vihan by Kalpatru Group located at Andheri West, Mumbai. If you are looking for more details of this project, click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheets. And don't forget to follow, like, share, subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.